Hey everyone, welcome to Spirit Light Yoga. If you've been sitting at a desk, driving, or simply feeling tight through your hips today, this quick standing flow is for you. Grab a sturdy chair, listen to your body, and let's begin. Let's slowly make circles with your hips here. Good. Imagine loosening up your hips and your lower back. Maybe you're taking a small break from work today, or maybe you've been sitting and just need to loosen up your hips. Good. And reverse. Remember to breathe in and out as we're circling around. Good. Allow this movement to be natural and smooth, comfortable just for you. Very nice. Good. And let's come to center. You may place your hand on your chair or have them at your hips. Let's go ahead and do some side lunges. Gently bend your knees and we'll hinge forward, bending at the knee from side to side. If you want a little bit more advanced, you may place your hands in front of you in prayer. This is also working our internal hips here, as well as the outside, lengthening our hamstrings, working our entire leg muscles here, stretching and lengthening. Very nice. Let's continue to breathe. Inhale and exhale. So let's do a couple more. And exhale. Good. Slowly come up. Let's turn toward our chair here for standing figure 4. Go ahead and bend both knees. Lift your right foot up, placed over your left knee. Use your chair for support. And go ahead and pulse here. So we're pulsing up and down. Move at your own pace. Remember, feel what's comfortable for you. And feel your spine opening up, lengthening up that spine as you're opening up your hip area as well. You'll also feel an opening in your lower back. Very nice. Let's continue to breathe. Inhale and exhale. One more. And release. Good. Let's switch to the other side. Place your left foot over your right knee. Again, move at your own pace. And it's okay. One side of your hip may be more flexible than the other. Just do the best you can. You're doing a great job. We're about halfway there. Good. Continue to breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Very nice. One more. Good. And release. Standing lunge. Place your right foot in front of you for support. Lift your left knee and extend your left leg back. Use your chair for support if you'd like, or place your hands on your hips. Bend your right knee a little bit forward, and you will feel that stretch here in the front hips of your left leg. Continue to breathe. If you'd like, you may raise your hands up toward the ceiling for a deeper stretch. Very nice. Let's take 2 breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Place your hands on your hips or on your chair. Hinge forward and step your leg back up. Good. Let's switch to the other side. Raise your left knee up and extend that right leg back. And you can place your hands on your hips and go ahead and bend a little bit on your left knee and feel that hip opening up on the right side towards your hip flexors. Good. And if you would like, go ahead and raise your hands above your head for a deeper stretch. Good. Inhale and exhale. Good. Let's go ahead and step forward into our final stretch here. Step a little bit back from your chair. Place your right foot in front of you. Lift your toes and gently, slowly come down towards your shins, placing your hands on your knee or on your thigh, whichever feels more comfortable for you. Good. Our hamstrings are actually attached to our hip area, so keeping our hamstrings nice and loose will also keep the fluidity in our hips as well. Good. Inhale and exhale. Good. Place that foot down. Gently come up. Let us switch sides. And left foot comes up. And let's hinge forward, placing your hands on your shins here too. Also, notice your back opening up and feeling lengthened and stretched as well. This feels very good. Very nice. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Release your foot and slowly roll yourself up. Wonderful job. Notice how your hips feel now compared to when you started. A few minutes of movement a day can definitely make the difference, especially on busy days. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, I encourage you to please share, like, comment, and subscribe for more support on your wellness journey. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.